Guys, I'm going to show you how to use signatures, what variables are available, and anything else you need to know about signatures in ColdSend. So the first thing you do is go to your sender accounts. You have a couple here, right? And you can assign them signatures. In my case, I haven't made any, so let's make some. Let's click on Manage Signatures, and you can add one, and you can name a signature. Let's say you have two companies. I'm going to go with one which is called ColdSend Signature, and here I can either add plain text or HTML. You want to add both. Why? Because sometimes you may have a campaign which requires open tracking. So if you enable open tracking, the email is going to go out as HTML, right? So in that case, we're going to send the HTML signature. If you are going to send pure plain text, no open tracking, nothing like that, in that case, we'll use the plain text version. Over here, we have a dropdown which shows you all of the variables that you have available here in our syntax, right? So for example, let's just say I'm gonna do sender.name and I'll just say theme ColdSend, right? This is my signature. And now on the HTML side, I'll copy paste the same thing and here I have it, right? I can create it. We also have a couple of templates here, which are HTML, and they also have the plain text version, so you can just modify them if you want. I'll go with this one, but change the sender.name, right? And over on this side as well. And name, don't forget the name, just call it plain signature. Here we go. Okay, signature. So now I have two signatures, and I can set one as default. Now, this is important because let's say you have thousands of inboxes, because that is possible inside ColdSend. Some people have hundreds of inboxes. It's a lot of pain to go and manually assign them, right? If you create a signature and set it as default, then that's the signature that every inbox that you have is going to have by default, right? And you can go and manually change any ones that you want. So I'll just go ahead and assign plain signature. Now, if I go over on the campaign side, I'll go to the signature demo. I'll use I'll just select all and proceed to the copy section. Now here I am. So in the email copy, you have two ways to add signature. One is this, that you just do sender.signature. Now here we will use the signature that you assigned to that particular inbox, right? Or if you don't like this, or you don't have the time to go and set up the signatures and stuff, you can just construct the signatures right here, right? So if you just do this, it's going to use the sender ID of the inbox, sender name of the inbox. You can even use sender.email, but I can't see a scenario in which you want to do that, right? And all of the variables that I'm adding here, they are in this guide over here. This is in our help center. This is called copy email copywriting guide, right? So all of the variables that I'm discussing are right here. So there you got it. You got two options. Now, if you have sender.signature here, but you don't have any default signature assigned, or there are inboxes that don't have any signature assigned to them, then you're going to get an error and you cannot proceed. So be careful. You got all the options. I think that's it. Best of luck.